In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put design front side in Printify step-by-step 2026. We'll walk through how to place your artwork on the front of a product in Printify using an existing item from your catalog. This is quick once you know where everything lives, and I'll share a few tips to keep your print crisp and centered. Start by heading to Printify and opening your store's products. On the left-hand side panel, look for the My Products section and click it. This shows all the items you've already created. I'll be using an existing product as an example, so pick the product you want to update and open it. On the product page, find the brush icon. That's the shortcut to the design editor. Click it to jump straight into the customization area for that product. Once you're inside the editor, you'll see the mockup preview and the available print areas. Make sure you're working on the correct side of the item. Select front side, so you're placing artwork exactly where you want it to appear on the finished product. Next, click Edit to open your artwork picker. You'll be prompted to select a category, which helps you filter your library. Choose the category where your design is stored, then select your design for the front side. For best print quality, use a high-resolution file, ideally a transparent PNG at 300 dpi or higher, so edges look clean and colors stay vibrant. After selecting the design, it will appear on the mockup. Drag to position it, use the handles to resize and rotate if needed. Keep your artwork within the print area and away from the edges to avoid accidental cropping. Look for alignment guides or center tools to snap the design perfectly in place. If your product has multiple sizes or color variants, preview them to make sure the artwork remains centered and readable across all options. Avoid scaling the image beyond its native resolution to prevent pixelation. Take a moment to review the preview carefully. Check spacing from the collar or top edge on apparel. Confirm that text is level, and ensure any fine details are legible. When everything looks good, click Save Products. This saves your front side design placement to the product, so your mockups and details are up to date. And that's it. You've navigated to your product, opened the editor with the brush, switched to the front side, edited your artwork selection by category, placed your design, and saved it. Follow these steps anytime you want to update or refresh the front of an item in your Printify catalog.